Okay, so I've been putting this black membrane in, you can see everywhere, with bark on top of it. So to secure the membrane, I bought these plastic pegs, which I bought from eBay. I got 100 for £8, which included delivery. So they're pretty simple to use, but what I do find is like they are a bit flimsy, a bit delicate. So the best way I found to put them in, so far I've broken probably about 7 or 8 of them. So the best way I find to put them in is you can just knock them in straight in like that and pierce with the membrane, but this membrane is quite thick and tough, especially when you've lapped over the membrane with the other membrane. It can be quite difficult to get through. So what I found is best is get a standing knife and just make a tiny incision, just push down until you pierce the membrane, and you can see there's a little hole there. But what I've also found as well, if you hit a stone, then these plastic things will break quite easy. So if you just get a screwdriver, push through, and you can see that, just get a screwdriver and push through, just check for any stones. Once you're confident there's no stones, just put it in the hole, and just get your hammer. Just try and do this with one hand. So put it in the hole, tap it in. You can see it goes all the way in. You can stretch the membrane back out then. Just tap it in. So basically, that's the best way I found to put them in. If you just kind of hammer them into the membrane, it might bend, you might hit a stone. So just make a small incision with a sharp knife. And if you've got an old screwdriver, just push it into the ground. Check for any stones. If it's not, hammer the peg in, and you should be good. So that's how you use these plastic pegs. They're roughly 6 inches in length. They've got barbs and stuff that come back out. They're pretty good. These ones cost me £8 from eBay for 100. Pretty cheap, I think. So a bargain, I would say. So that's how you use it. Thanks for watching.